So Fox Nation is pulling back the curtains on the infamous Ted Bundy murders in a new docuseries called Hunting Bundy, Chasing for the Devil. Watch.
Ted, have you ever committed murder?
I certainly feel I'd want anywhere. But I remember if you done something like that.
He enjoyed the chase. He enjoyed the capture. He enjoyed the whole thing.
Hunting Bundy, streaming now on Fox Nation.
I can't wait. Our next guest is featured in the docuseries and reveals never-before-seen information. Legal archivist and creator of the blog Killer in the Archive, Tiffany Jean joins us now. I want to play this a little clip, and I'm going to get your reaction. Let's watch it.
It was a brilliant idea to get all of these investigators together to compare notes.
These tapes of the Aspen Summit, along with dozens of crime scene photos, hundreds of police reports, and interview tapes with Ted Bundy's girlfriend and Bundy himself, were acquired by the producers directly from the widow of lead Utah detective Jerry Thompson after he passed away in 2019.
Tiffany, I love true crime, but some of the recent ones that have been coming out, it's not the real story. This is different because you get real information.
Right. In archives, we call these primary sources. So this would be the original records from the case. And the producers were able to acquire this archive from one of the original detectives on the case. So these are like the original recordings, the case files, the crime scene photos, stuff that's never been seen before.
So as you're going through this docuseries, did y'all discover anything new about Ted Bundy?
You know, I don't think there's a whole lot more to learn about Ted Bundy, the man. I like learning more about the stories of the victims and also the people who worked together to catch him, the law enforcement and the survivors who were able to identify him and turn him in. And I think we learn a lot more about them and how the law enforcement worked together to catch this guy.
Do you hear from any of the victim families in this docuseries?
I don't know if we hear from the victims' families. I've worked with some of the victims' families, especially in Utah, and a lot of them didn't know about what happened to their loved ones, and being able to talk to them and tell them, some of them fought back, they didn't know that, and that means a lot to me that I was able to.
Being in criminology is always a balance because you want to study these people to kind of prevent it or see markers for other folks. You also want to give honor to the victims and cover their stories the way, but you got to be careful not to glorify them as well. How do you strike that balance?
I think just sticking with the original evidence, the original case files, not showing him as this handsome, glorified, romanticized man, but actually showing what he did to these people, to these young women, and showing the original records and just completely unbiased that way.
Tiffany, thank you so much. You're also a native Texan, so
that's right.
And Garland, Texas as well. Thank you for being on Fox and Friends this morning. You can catch this Hunting Bundy. That's on Fox Nation. It's actually a 3-part series, and the episodes are available right now, right?
That's right.
All right.
I'm Steve Doocy.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.